Choose the correct option and you write the statements. Parliamentary system of government developed in dash. Option A England, option B France, option C United States of America, option D Nepal. Correct answer is option A England. In the presidential system, dash is the executive head. Option A the Prime Minister, option B the Lok Sabha Speaker, option C the President, option D the Governor. Correct answer is option C the President. Complete the information in the following table. Name of the institution, legislature. Functions, to make laws. Name of the institution, executive. Functions, to implement laws, frame policies. Name of the institution, judiciary. Functions, to provide justice. Explain the following statements with reasons. India adopted the parliamentary system of government. The parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. The British ruled over India for about 150 years. During this period, they ruled in accordance with this system. So Indians were familiar with this system of government. The Constituent Assembly also adopted this system after a thorough discussion. Hence, the framers of the Constitution made a few changes to suit the Indian situation and adopted the parliamentary system. Discussion and deliberations are important in a parliamentary system of government. Discussions and deliberations are an integral part of the parliamentary form of government. Questions related to public welfare are discussed in the legislature. Members from the opposition party also take part in these discussions. Opposition parties may support the government wherever appropriate, point out shortcomings in policies and laws, put up studied arguments and questions, etc. This helps the legislature to make proper laws. Thus, discussion and deliberations are important in a parliamentary system of government. Answer the following in 25 to 30 words. What is the responsible government? The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers is responsible to the legislature for all the actions and policies. It means that the Council of Ministers has to work with the legislature. It is for this reason that the parliamentary system is known as responsible system of government. Enumerate the characteristics of the presidential system of government. The following are the characteristics of the presidential system of government. In a presidential form of government, the legislature and the executive are not directly dependent on each other. The houses of the legislature and the president are directly elected by the people. The president is the executive head and has lot of powers, including power to implement laws. In spite of such a structure, the legislature and the executive keep a check on each other. This mutual control over each other can lead to a responsible government. Why is the role of opposition parties important? Write your opinion. The role of opposition parties is important in both the parliamentary and presidential systems of government. The opposition parties participate in the discussions and point out the shortcomings in the policies of the government. The opposition parties control the executive through the arguments based on deep study of the topics discussed in parliament. The executive cannot behave in an irresponsible manner due to the pressure of the opposition parties. The alertness of the opposition parties helps in avoiding wrong practices like corruption, ignoring public welfare, passing faulty laws, etc.